liver is parang nag-strain ng mga toxins, diba,
Yes,
sa katawan natin. So, with drinking acai berry, it helps in detoxification of liver.
Okay.
Okay, and at the same time, cleansing the whole body. So, I would suggest they will try this acai berry for detoxification.
Okay, ayan. Siguro, Marie, maganda nga i-try mo to mamaya. Isasabihin natin kung saan ba na mabibili itong produkto na to. So, meron ka pang ibang gustong i-consulta, Marie?
Diabetes.
Oo.
Okay. Now, discuss natin itong benefits sa
Sige.
With acai sa diabetes, ang makatulong niya sa diabetes, first is it has low glycemic index. This fruit has helps in fighting diabetes because it also regulates insulin level in your blood system. And then, kung diabetes ka, I've heard doctor mentioning that it's how you control your sugar intake.
Yes,
Okay, so kung kain ka ng kain, definitely mataas yung sugar mo. With organic acai berry, it suppress your appetite. So, when it suppress your appetite, your blood sugar level doesn't go down. Kasi low glycemic siya eh. So, it really helps control, at the same time, your blood sugar level and your appetite also.
So, makakatulong siya dun sa may problema nga diabetes. So, may concern din sa liver.
We have a patient, actually we have a client dun sa Cebu. He's a doctor by profession, and talagang nagtitake na siya ng insulin every morning. So, na-surprise na lang siya na yung insulin niya was regular level in the morning. So, ito lang ang tinitake niya, itong organic acai berry. So, he start winning na, hindi na siya nag-i-insulin in the morning, but he keeps monitoring his blood sugar level.
Okay. So, Marie, may tanong ka pa? Okay na siya. Papasukin naman natin yung isa pang pasyente o patient caller natin na gustong kumonsulta, si Mang Ambo. Mang Ambo, magandang tanghali po. Si Dr. Hill ang pwede niyong makonsulta.
Good afternoon, Mang Ambo.
Sige po.